Good evening, lovely viewers. Welcome back to English with Omer. Today I got really interesting and surprising lesson for you. I have selected some words for you. These words have same spelling, same pronunciation, but their meanings are entirely different. Let's see these words. These words look similar, but their meanings are different. First word is fine. First meaning of fine is feeling good. And its example is I am feeling fine today. The second meaning of fine is when you have to pay any amount whenever you break any law. And its example is I have to pay $50 fine due to wrong car parking. Second word is bark, B-A-R-K, bark. First meaning of bark is the hard cover of a tree, and its example is oak tree has brown bark. Normally, whenever see around us, all trees have brown barks. Almost every tree has brown barks. It's outside hard cover. So almost all trees have brown bark. The second meaning of bark is uh, noise of a dog, and we can use its example just like dogs bark at cats. All right. So viewers, I discussed today these two words with same sound, but their meanings are different. Such words are called homographs. There are many homographs, but we have to understand these words because they look same, but their meanings are different. In my next vlog, I will get some more homographs for you. Please wait for me, and I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you. See you soon.